Good afternoon. So today, this is Whitney Walden. Today I'm going to show you guys Template Maker. We finally got some of the bugs worked out and I'm super excited for you all to utilize this. So we're going to get started. What you first need to do is go to trefconnect.com. It already shows me logged in, so I'm going to log out really quick just so you can see it. So your username or email, again, your username should be your first name only. If you have a pretty common first name, it might be the first letter of your first name and your last name. Your password should be your 4-digit code to get into the Western Avenue office. If you're not sure what that is, reach out to Stephen Elder. He can give that to you or get it reset for you if you're not sure. So we're going to log in. You can get to Template Maker two different ways. You can create your own flyers or you can hit Template Maker up here at the top. So we're going to go on in. Alright, we're going to do a flyer first. We're going to do that. And I'm going to do a new listing flyer. We'll do just listed. And you're going to get started. Okay, so this is what the template looks like. This is the way that the flyer is going to look when you're done. You're just going to put in your own information, which is super awesome. So we're going to go to edit. We're going to do photos first, so it's going to be group 1. We're going to hit upload a file here. So I've already uploaded these into my media file, or media library, but what you will need to do is select a file, and then you can search your images and put whichever ones you want on there. So you just click it. I'm just going to upload this one more time just so you can see how it's done. So you can click it, and then you can choose to use this folder, or this file here down the bottom. So that will upload. And then we're going to go on to our next photo. And again, I already have these uploaded, so I'm just going to do the ones that I already have. So we're going to use the living room. And we'll upload a picture of the kitchen like this one has. Upload that. And then we will upload, I'm going to upload the back dock on this one because it is incredible. Alright, and then you'll want to put your own headshot in there. Natalie, we love you, but if it's not your listing, we probably don't need your picture on there. This is not my listing either. I'm just using this as sample style here. Alright, so once you get all those photos uploaded, whatever photos you need, you can close that back up. We're going to hit the text now. So I'm going to leave that beautiful home just listed. I mean, it works. There's nothing wrong with that. The agent name, I'll put my own in there. I'll put my own phone number. My own email. Okay. The property description, I'm going to put the address. I'm not 100% sure what the address of this one is. I can't remember. So I'm going to just do this, Knoxville. Now, on this home description, you can enter information about the home if you want to. I'm just putting the address in for simplicity and to show you guys what it looks like. And it's priced at $1,259,900, I believe. So I'm not putting the commas in there because I've already worked on this a little bit and it makes it too big. So I'll show you what that looks like, obviously, because you can't edit that. So I'm just leaving those commas out for now. If there is other options, so if for some reason this one doesn't work for you, there are definitely some other options. So once you get all your information in there, again, you'll just close that up, and now you can change some of the coloring on here. So if you wanted the words to be green instead of orange, or if you just wanted it all black, I'm going to leave it orange because I think it pops it out a little bit more and I like the way it looks. But you can do any of the colors here. Some of the stuff will change colors and some of it will not. So once we're done with that, we'll go to download. And I know it looks funny here, but it'll download the way you just edited it. So you're just going to hit download PNG. And you you can open that up and it will show you the new one that you've created. So at that point you can take that and share it to social media because it is the PNG, so it's already in image form. And I'll show you how to create one more just in case. We'll go in, actually I think I'm going to go in a social media post on this one. And I know this looks weird, so I know it's showing that same flyer, but it's not. So click Happy Day, click Get Started, and it will pop up the actual one that you can edit. So again, we're going to go to Edit. You can edit the images, the background image if you want to. And so let's say I really like the image. Come on. I really, really, really like the... There is another picture I have that has some stairs I'm going to use because I think it's super cool. So let that upload. Maybe my internet's being slow. Okay, so we'll use that one, select it there. And it's going to put that image in this background instead of the one that's there. Alright, and then obviously I'll leave my headshot, the Real Estate Firm logo. And then I'm going to just leave all this stuff, but you can edit everything. I'll edit the phone number here. So if you ever need to get a hold of me, my cell phone number is 865-765-2519. My email address is whitneywalden@gmail.com. So I'm going to leave it Happy Monday, the office number, all that good stuff. You can also change the shape if you want, the square outline, change the background color. Maybe, oh, that's just the words, sorry. Okay, so I don't know what that one's for. So we're just going to leave that. But that is a good social media post. So once you're done with that, you can go to download again. It will download as a PNG. The image file. Pull that up. And there's your new image that you have created. You can use again on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, all that good stuff. Alright, so that is how you use the template maker. And if you have any other questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me. I typed my email address and my phone number in this video about 3 times. So give me a call. Let me know if you need anything. And I hope that you all will utilize Template Maker. Thanks.